Okay, got the chassis together now. Moved look when they wake up with the thing on the side. Probably chain mechanism. So let's go on. I'll tell you a funny story. This kit is absolutely free of charge. Bought on eBay. It didn't turn up. I gave it time because there's a melt. There was a melt strike over here. Okay, fine. They reported it as not turned up. I got a full refund from eBay. And guess what turned up the same day? This one. So I got in contact with the seller. Said, hey, I got a refund, but I've also got a kit. Who's up pocket, you or eBay? I heard nothing back from him until over a month ago. Just free of charge. Yes. The kit I like. And monogram as well. Okay, bye.